Hello friends, welcome to Inside Cycling Initiative. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Delhi liquor scam. Okay, we are discussing this video in the context of the recent arrest of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. So the topic of the day is Delhi excise policy case. So in this video, what are the learning outcomes? Learning outcomes are first why it is in news. Then we will discuss about the key act involved in this case, that is Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002, and what will happen to a particular political party under Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and what kind of action Election Commission of India can take. So these are the learning objectives of today's video. First we will discuss about what is this Delhi excise policy case is all about. First let me explain the context to you. So according to ED allegations, there is a group called South Group. South Group is the group which involves in the liquor business, alcohol business, and it is consists of group of individuals, okay, group of individuals. Now according to ED observations, this South Group, they offered money to Aam Aadmi Party, and of course this Aam Aadmi Party, which is ruling in the Delhi government then, and this Delhi government, they are drafting the excise policy. Okay, and to get favors in this excise policy, the South Group they offered money, and according to ED allegations, this Aam Aadmi Party leaders, who are obviously the ministers in Delhi government, and at that time excise minister was Manish Sisodia, and this excise policy, okay, it was made in favor of South Group. This is the allegation made by the Enforcement Directorate. But of course, later this policy was been withdrawn also. Okay. Now, in this context, it all starts with this South Group. They offered money to Aam Aadmi Party. Okay. To influence what? To influence this excise policy. And ED is also claiming that this money might be used in the elections. This money might be used in the funding for elections in Goa election, as well as the Punjab elections as well. If that is the case, then Election Commission of India can also involve. Apart from Election Commission of India, that is a constitutional body. Here, what are the prime agencies involving in this case? Prime agencies involving in this case are CBI as well as the ED. CBI and ED. Okay. So here, after Delhi government made its excise policy allegedly to favor the South Group, this information, it was conveyed by Delhi, Chief Secretary. This information passed from him to Delhi Lieutenant Governor, and Delhi Lieutenant Governor, it ordered the CBI. His office ordered the CBI investigation. And CBI investigation, while CBI is investigating, as it is recognized that there is certain amount of the money is involved, then CBI directed this case even to ED as well to check whether that proceeds linked to any money laundering or not, because ED primarily deals with Prevention of Money Laundering Act and as well as FEMA. So it deals with these two acts. Now tell me students, the CBI is formed according to the recommendations of which committee? Answer to this question. Okay. Now you know that why CBI is involved as well as the ED involved. Okay. So this is the whole context. As a part of this group of individuals, this South Group, already cases registered against and few people got arrested. Recently from Telangana, K. Kavita, Telangana MLC, and so of Andhra Pradesh Ongole MP son, and Aurobindo Pharma son Sharat Chandra Reddy, Aurobindo Pharma founder son Sharat Chandra Reddy. They were arrested due to their alleged link to this as a part of this group. So this is all about the Delhi excise policy. Now let's see notes about this one. And here we will discuss about what kind of action Election Commission of India can take. Actually, Election Commission of India, okay, they can only take away the symbol of the party according to the present rules, because Election Commission of India cannot deregister any political party, unless until if the political party obtained that registration through fraud, or that political party violated the constitution, it behaved against the values of constitution, or that political party identified as illegal organization under the UAPA, Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Unless until these one of the three things happens, Election Commission of India cannot deregister any political party. This we have to know. Okay. Now let's see the context. And here Aam Aadmi Party is one of the national party in India. At the moment there are 6 national parties in India. Okay, along with the Congress, BJP, CPIM, BSP, Aam Aadmi Party and NPP, National People Party. National People Party is one of the only party which is primarily based in Northeast, which got the recognition as a national party. Money laundering is all about converting the dirty money, that means money earned through illegal activities, converting that money into legal way through various steps such as placement, layering, as well as the integration. So through these steps, money will be converted from the dirty money to the legal money. It will come into the economic system. Here the context is Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, yesterday night, he was arrested in the Delhi excise policy case, in which previously he had been summoned by Enforcement Directorate. So this entire case involves 2 agencies, one is CBI, the other one is the ED, Enforcement Directorate. Already I told you the chronology of the case. First it started with the report submitted by Delhi Chief Secretary Naresh Kumar to then Delhi Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena. The report was saying that arbitrary as well as unilateral decisions taken by the Delhi government while they were preparing the excise policy. Later, of course, they withdrawn this policy as well, and they alleged that these allegations already explained to you in the context. ED alleged that through this policy, both Aam Aadmi Party and this South group, they were designed to get benefited. ED arguments is saying that they can invoke section 70 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act, and ED mainly deals with the prevention and control of the money laundering, and it can confiscate whatever the properties earned through this money laundering money, and it can also inquire any related activities to money laundering. And section 3 defines that any person either directly or indirectly involves with the money laundering, they will be punishable unless until they have to prove that they are not aware of these particular transactions. And Money Laundering Act, it was enacted in 2002 and it was subjected to multiple amendments as well. Section 70 of the Money Laundering Act deals with offences committed by the company. Under the definition of company, even political party can be fixed as well, because political party is also comes under the definition of company, because it is a body which is operated by group of individuals. According to section 29A of the Representation of People Act 1951, a political party is an association of individuals. So it fits under the definition of company according to the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. And now the only option before the Election Commission of India, if they would like to take any action on Aam Aadmi Party, that can be only through the election symbols reservation and allotment order. To this only, because it cannot deregister a political party unless until it commits any one of the offence which is mentioned here. Those 3 offences I already explained to you. So this is about the Delhi liquor policy case. Yesterday's video question: democracy's superior virtue lies in the fact that it calls into activity the intelligence and character of ordinary men and women. So that is where the supreme quality of the democracy involves. Now let's see today's video question. Today's video question is: consider the following statement regarding the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Statement number 1. An FIR is required before starting an investigation under this act. 2. Under PMLA, burden of proving innocence is on the accused. Pick the right statement. Mains question. Examine the effectiveness of the PMLA in preventing money laundering in India. As we reach to the end of this video, in this particular video, we discussed about what is this Delhi liquor policy and scam and which agencies involved and who are the key stakeholders in this particular policy scam, and so how this entire process started, the chronology of this one, and in case if Election Commission of India would like to take any action, what kind of options before the Election Commission of India. So these are the details we covered in this particular video. I hope this video is useful to you. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.